पता लग गया कि भाई लख लगेगी, लाख रुपए का कौन सा वीवीएस मिल रहा है. देन आई रीड द लिरिक्स, नाउ इट्स 22 लाख रुपए लग गया. ओके वेट ओके लेट मी सी विच वन. एता लोकां ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਕ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਮੇਰਾ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਨਾਲ ਲੱਕ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਜਦੋਂ ਹਿੱਕੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੀਵੀਐਸ ਸ਼ਾਈਨ ਕਰਦੀ ਭਾਈ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਨੀ 22 ਲੱਕ ਲੱਗਿਆ. ਅੱਜ ਹਿੱਪ ਤੇ ਕਲਿੱਪ ਵੀ ਬਿਮਾਰੇ ਸੈਂਤਾ, ਮੈਨੀਫੈਸਟ ਵੀ ਕਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰੇ ਮਿਹਨਤਾਂ. I think that's enough. Hey, I was vibing for a bit, so I think I'm getting
Very
comfortable.
good. Yes, you are. Guys, he's improving, I think. I think you are getting...
Unde Unde.
Oh.
I think we started this off with that song.
That's a classic. Your Punjabi singing is now surpassing my Haryanvi singing, although I have become better. Yeah. I think I'm getting better with
Which Haryanvi artist do you listen to a lot?
Dhanda, yeah.
Yeah, me too.
He's a vibe. He's doing what Imran Khan did back in the day for the scene, in the sense, in terms of...
In what way?
Imran Khan, how he kind of sort of brought the newer sounds and sonics into the scene in a big way, and more like he's lyrically good also, along with the vibe, commercial.
For me, he made Haryanvi music cool for me.
Yeah,
it was a little कि अरे बस से लौंडे लपाड़ों के लिए होता है, but that classy जो feel है, हाँ जो classy feel है हरियाणवी music में. Even he talks about gang shit and stuff, but he does it in a slightly classier way is what I feel, and that's why I like his music.
He does it in a more palatable way.
Yeah.
Easier to consume for us non-Haryanvis. So lovely. Tell me, guys, his Punjabi or my Haryanvi? What do you... But anyway, let's listen. We are reuniting after 3 months. To let everyone know, they were complaining. They're like, you were going to do this monthly, and that was the plan. But फिर वो March में ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. So we were like, there are very less things to discuss. Let's do it bi-monthly. And then scheduling problem.
April में बहुत कुछ हो गया.
Yeah, April में, और अब May तो मतलब it has gone through the roof. Eventfulness has happened. So anyway, y'all sent topics. Lots of screenshots I shared with Rohan. We have picked 10.
Actually, this time we didn't need topics. We had a lot of projects to discuss.
It's all about projects now. So every topics एक दो ही हैं, 2 हैं actually. बाकी सब projects और drops पे focus होगा.
कौन सा दूसरा कौन सा? एक तो I think it's
एक बेला का है और एक वो इंडिया पाक.
India Park. Okay, makes sense.
So ठीक है. Let's begin with one project that I found very refreshing. The Dino's album.
Oh yeah, very different sound.
Yes, very gospelish.
Very different sound.
I felt.
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah. Oh, I mentioned that in my review as well.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it has.
I've skimmed through it, and that was the one major thing that stayed in my mind.
Even jazz के elements बहुत सारे थे. Like there was a lot of saxophone, a lot of gospel elements, a lot of choir in it, which is very different from like and then the teaser makes sense.
I never saw
the teaser is old Dino talking to this new Dino, saying that you've changed, dude. What are you doing? We were never like this and stuff like that. And it's very beautifully written. And because Dino comes from this acting background, I don't think anyone else could have performed it better than him.
Yeah.
So he has done a good job where he's played both the Dinos very well.
He's a good actor and voice actor. Voice में भी लाना बड़ी बात होती है.
So then it made sense because he was prepping us up for a project that is very unlike Dino. And very unlike what made Dino popular in the initial stages. So I think he was prepping. भाई अब मैं change हो गया हूँ. मेरी problems different हो गई है. मेरे life different हो गई है. So that time also I used to rap about my life. Now also I'm rapping about my life, but it's changed.
It's a different space that I'm coming from. I'm calmer. And I have more maturity.
I think it will affect his numbers, but this happens to a lot of comedians as well. I forgot Jimmy Fallon in सबके साथ भी होता था, where initially they'll crack jokes about being middle class and stuff. Over time they lose that relatability. But can they again go back and talk about कि कैसे अभी भी हम middle class? They can't. So now they have to explore different themes. So I think Dino also has reached that space where he's flourishing now. He's become successful. So this album revolves around that. So I liked it.
I really liked it. Sonically.
But I still feel जो Dino James की जो pure storytelling है ना, that I still feel is his strength. I was again after listening to this album, I was revisiting his previous tracks like Hancock and stuff, and the way he sets that story up, I can't point a single artist who can do that in multiple songs that he has done. Like in DH, I personally feel there are better storytelling tracks. There have been, but time and again उस level को create कर पाना, वो emotion build कर पाना, imagery setup कर पाना बहुत ही कम लोग हैं. So I think I missed that element. But I
In
think
this
now
album, I felt like the storytelling element was present in a slightly more obvious way. It was very,
yeah.
this is where I am in life right now. My thought space is this. And so I'm
Hmm.
saying these things. Combine that with a lot of
Yeah.
female vocals and a lot of gospel choir elements.
Hmm.
It gave a very grand-ish sonic to the whole
True.
thing. But he's still
True.
telling a story of where he is right now. So,
Yeah, I by story I meant an anecdote of
yeah,
sorts. Like for example,
yeah, that is
that
not,
was missing.
yeah,
जब हमें एक वो journey पे ले जाता है, वो for
yeah,
example his breakup हो गया या फिर his
yeah.
relationship with his dog or his whatever. So that like even when he was talking that thanks a lot one the initial part, that was also a very nice way of him telling stories as to how he feels gratitude towards whatever he has and where he has come from. So his journey पे ले जाते हैं गाने में, that I found missing. But overall sonically, I think this new Dino is very good.
Yeah,
I liked it.
I really like the Mama song. And there was one, I'm trying to just open it up. There was another, the Thanks a Lot was there. There was another one which was
The
Voices.
outro is very good. Priceless
voice-
is good.
Yeah.
Voices.
Voices was a little darker.
Yeah,
It was like the voices in his head. And
Hmm.
a lot of his songs that I have reviewed with the music videos, which were very anecdotal in the storytelling, most of them were the relationship ones. The
Yeah, yeah.
boyfriend part 2, yeah, girlfriend, जो भी
Yeah,
था,
Girlfriend.
recent one.
Oh, Girlfriend also you have reacted to.
Yeah. No, not the original. The part 2 जो आया था recently.
Okay.
But
I would have visited that reaction immediately if you had.
I know you would have.
Sad that you haven't. Do you reckon trying to react to it? It'll be fun. I will. That'll make for good content.
Just be quiet. I liked this side of his. It just to me, like I was saying when I took 5 guesses around the Krishna album, that was a reel on Instagram I put out. In
I've
that,
seen that.
हाँ, उसमें मेरा 5th point था features के around, where I said if it's an album, I don't care about features because it's about the story and where that artist is in their journey at that moment. I need to hear that more. So in this album, Dino really did that. There was no feature, and every song continuously was his story. कहाँ हैं आप life में और क्या आपके अभी thoughts हैं? So I thought that was very nicely done, and it just goes to show as a good example that you don't need features. An album has to be very personal. So I like that he made that point for me through this project.
Nice.
है ना? So very nicely done. उसका cover art ये वो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे.
It was very good.
हाँ, so okay, let's go to the other. This one I have not heard, so you have to tell me. Bali EP.
Okay. Why have you not checked it out?
I
Is there
mean,
a specific reason?
it's in my list. No, it's in my list, and I want to check it out.
It'll be very interesting again to see your reaction to this because it's a
Very irreverent sort of zone.
irreverent and slightly provocative. So a couple of songs are his alter ego Shameless, and Shameless character with what I have understood is like
With the S.
he doesn't care. He doesn't care.
Superhero.
कि भाई लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे. So he takes Bali's disguise, goes around and just bullshits. Like he says whatever he wants to about whoever.
No
he wants to.
filters. हाँ.
Yeah, gives politically incorrect opinions, and then Bali gets into trouble is what they have shown in the first track. So I'll tell you, musically you might find, I've said this in my review as well, musically you might find flaws in the project, but what this project does to Bali is that it builds anticipation around Bali अगला क्या निकालेगा, which is a very big currency for an artist.
It is.
Because people now know कि अच्छा ठीक है अगर कुछ बकचोदी सुननी है तो this is the artist that we have to go for, and जब भी ये निकालेगा कुछ तो ऐसा बोलेगा where we are like oh ये क्या बोल दिया. Like for example the first bar of his track podcast and first bar of his whole EP is अपने बारे में बताइए. फर्स्ट नेम सचिम, लास्ट नेम नहीं पी सकता क्योंकि पॉटी आ जाती है. Because he is lactose intolerant. Okay, so this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are a lot of such bars where you'll be like, "कैसे बोल दिया इसने?"
You'll be like,
I actually.
But
I
that
actually like
kind of
this
person
one.
is needed. That's why Samir Raina is so popular. Just as an example.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
But I heard he took a lot of shots at others in the scene. So I'm surprised no one dissed him.
I'll tell you, we did not take. So that's what because he's established the fact that it's Shameless, and there are no particular, apart from DMC and Harjas, there are no particular shots in the project. He's mentioning कि हाँ भाई जूता ये कृष्णा MUA की बीफ हुई थी, किंग और MUA की बीफ हुई थी, एक काला दूसरे को काले बोल रहा है. But he's not particularly taking shot at MUA or King. He's just mentioning कि बीफ हुई थी, and then MUA की शादी में सारे जापान जाएंगे, कृष्णा और मैं करेंगे जूता छुपाई because जूता जापानी is Krishna's track and Krishna and MUA had beef. So he's just mentioning all of that. I don't see.
He's referencing people, but he's not taken any direction. I heard
apart from a couple.
Oh,
Harjas and DMC, as I mentioned. Apart from these two, I can't recall anyone who he has actually dissed.
Did that not piss you off that he dissed DMC?
Oh,
Did you
I
take
wanted to hit,
personal?
I texted him. Oye,
How
मैं आ जाऊँ
dare?
क्या? But yeah,
Expected. So overall, you think it's a great project from him because
yeah,
it
for him,
sets
yeah,
the scene for him for his next drop.
yeah.
So he's established himself in
And that
one
is
sort of
happening, by
space.
the way. So he
Hmm.
released his fourth track of the EP, "Sad Song," which is
Hmm.
actually not a sad song.
Hmm.
So he released the animated video, and that video got a lot of views, and it suddenly was trending on Instagram very soon, like within 2-3 hours of release. So you wouldn't before this EP, I wouldn't have expected Bali to reach the trending section so soon. So this
That's
EP
good.
has done something. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good. I
Plus,
liked it.
I also heard he was very fun on a podcast.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
and people saw a different side to him. So all of that is very cool. I like.
Yeah, so that's a good point that you make. So I feel that this persona of his is sustainable because in that podcast it's the same guy. Like you will see no different.
Hmm.
कि भाई ये बंदा यहाँ पे भी यही बात बोल रहा है, वहाँ गाने में भी यही बात बोल रहा है, द सेम थिंग. वरना हम देखते हैं ना आर्टिस्ट जनरली बहुत हम्बल होते हैं गाने में, वो पैसे देख मेरे पैसे देख.
हाँ.
ऐसा यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है.
He
he's
is who he
frivolous.
is. हाँ.
In
Okay.
his artistic persona and his real persona.
But then speaking of him, I'm kind of keen to also quickly bring up 40. Where do you think he's disappeared? Why have we not heard anything?
Actually, that's true.
Except
I've
अभी
thinking about
Panther के EP पे एक
Yeah.
track आया, and I honestly heard his voice and I said something is like I felt like something's wrong with him. Like I got
See,
worried.
I would be speculating. I have no clue, by the way. But you know, rappers sometimes give clues about their lives in their songs. So I was thinking about the same thing last week. So I was listening to this track in which he mentions he was flexing about his money, and then in one bar he mentions कि मैंने अपने करिए पापा की रेडियोलॉजी किया नहीं 1 2 का 4 AG OG.
I remember that.
And radiology, when do you do radiology? Like when there's a medical emergency. So I feel there's something that's keeping him away from music is what I feel. It can't just be him relaxing कि भाई मेरे को music बनाना नहीं. I feel he could be going through, but all of
I
this is
hope,
speculation.
yeah, speculation. I just said in my reaction to that Panther song that I hope everything is okay with him because
Yeah.
I am still placing my bets on that man and I'm waiting
Yeah,
to see
yeah.
what he drops.
Yeah, he's still in almost all my playlist. Sad song, gym track, fun
Yeah.
track. He's in all of my playlists.
That emoji
So, yeah.
series is goated. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
It's one of the best.
Yeah.
Quickly, I think my echo is coming because you're not wearing headphones. So ठीक है. Let's move to the next thing on the list. Dhoom 5, Panther.
Oh, I love that EP.
Same. I just finished.
I love that. Oh, reacting to it or listening to it?
Reacting to it. I reacted to it. Krishna dropped. I reacted to first song. Krishna dropped. Then I released the next two, and people are like, "आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप अपनी ही world में हो." I said, "पहले Panther का हम complete करेंगे, फिर Krishna पे आएंगे." But I loved it.
Actually,
this man.
Yeah. All tracks bangers. I love that. I think it's Fikr, Bella और Jatrix वाला. I love that track.
Yeah.
Spectra के साथ है उसका. हाँ, is very good.
Sonically.
Pahiya is also.
Vyapari also is a hard track. It's so good.
Vyapari is the second track.
Second, no? Yeah, it's the second track.
I think, yeah.
That man, I was talking about how his journey is so inspiring because of the people who came out of the show that shall not be named. I think him and Bella have really shown us what consistency is about. But as much as I loved how consistent Bella was, I feel Panther and his team are doing it in a much more organized fashion where he's hitting the commercial points also that he needs to hit in his trajectory. He's hitting the non-commercial. He's hitting the romantic emo zones. He is, everything is so well planned out and meticulously drafted that execution, maybe they're not failing at all. So
and
beautiful.
It is, I think, Panther from a very long time, and I've known him for quite some time, has always had that very sharp vision towards how his career should look like, and it's very crystal clear in his mind. And it's very crystal clear in his mind. It's not like ये हुआ फिर ये नहीं होगा तो ऐसा कर लेंगे. He's very crystal clear. He works hard. He's a perfectionist. I think I've spoken this about him in my video as well. He's a perfectionist, and that's why he churns out good songs after good songs, like all the time.
Yeah, it's like he has a wall in his house where the entire journey has been mapped out to perfection. And now they're just busy hitting those points, the milestones and things. And that kind of clarity is very rare. that kind of consistency with quality is very rare. Plus, I don't see him sitting in a man cave and a studio making songs. I see him out there living his life as well, which I pointed out. Like, it's nice to see.
Yeah.
You see him taking regular holidays and breaks and traveling with his friends,
That's
his partner.
very important.
He's, you know, he's a very great example of someone who can have it all. You know, he's showing people that I can manage everything at one time. It's not कि मुझे सिर्फ career पे focus करना है और मेरी बाकी की life गई बाहर में. You know, I really admire. So well done. This particular project, so different from the Chahat EP, because I had reviewed that for Raj's magazine. So,
and I also feel he does it intentionally, where he like
He'll
goes from here to here, where and बीच में pendulum निकाल देगा, and then he'll go back again to hip hop, and then again a melodic like romantic EP, heartbreak tracks, and then again a commercial track, and it is a very important mix that a lot of people might not understand, which is essential, because एक चीज आपकी finances संभालती है, एक चीज आप के around आपके लोगों को संभालती है, because you also have to cater to their fans, and those fans will then get you opportunities, and then you have to take those opportunities, change it or exchange it in a way for some commercials, and then get back to making good music. So he's mixing it up really well. He's mixing it up really well. Like a lot of people might not understand, and we might not be able to articulate it as well. But behind the scene, बहुत crystal clear clarity है about his vision.
I have not been able to cover on my channel his commercial drops from the labels, like, you know, like a pendulum and all, but I hear them offline because there's so much other stuff I have to cover, but I hear them offline. And while it may not be meant for me, I admire that he's doing that, because उसका audience बहुत अलग है और उसकी जरूरत भी है, और आप एक बहुत ही complete catalog अपना बना रहे हो, which is very amazing.
And it's not dumbed down. So commercial भी एक dumbed down commercial होता है, एक होता है कि हाँ, it is commercial but it's good. So I think what he does is not dumbed down commercial, although it could be about Ladki Daru, but the way you describe it makes it dumbed down or not dumbed down, for example.
I think Dharna should have a, you know, production breakdown, because that song, the way Spectra and him have sung, changed the beat, it's very Govinda movie, which, you know, I felt like I was in that universe while listening to it, and it's such a different space in hip hop for these two really amazing writers to approach it from.
True.
Very nice. I like what Panther's doing. Okay, so Dhoom 5. By the way, he's taken the Dhoom franchise and done this.
What do you mean?
So Dhoom the movie, I thought कि सिर्फ 3 आई थी, लेकिन 4 reloaded है. Reloaded is Dhoom 4. So he's named this Dhoom 5. So now Yashraj Films will have to go to Dhoom 6. Anyway, I just thought it was a quirky and a fun thing to point out.
Just a second. It is oh no, wait. What? So why can't Dharma make Dhoom 5?
Dharma nahi, YRF. They can make Dhoom 5. I'm just joking. I'm just saying he's hopped onto a franchise.
I'm not used to you cracking jokes. I'm used to you stating facts.
Okay.
So I was like, अबे ये क्या कर दिया? I thought it's some like वो डोमेन नेम नहीं खरीद लेते कि अच्छा इस जियो हॉटस्टार का डोमेन बनने वाला, हम खरीद लेते हैं फिर बाद में लाखों में बेचेंगे. I thought ऐसा. Then I got so confused कि यार नेम में तो कोई कॉपीराइट नहीं होता है. You confused me. Then you're telling me it's a joke. Okay, you crack jokes. From here on, I'll be expecting you to crack jokes.
Oh, as if I've never cracked jokes before. No, but I'm just saying he pulled a Krishna with this one. Well done. And then later I realized, धूम तो कुछ वैसे खास था नहीं एल्बम में, लाइक वो वर्ड भी यूज नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन भाई साहब बाइक पे बैठे हैं कवर में और फिर 5 गाने हैं तो धूम 5 कर दिया. ठीक है, वेरी नाइस, वेल डन. DL91 FM 30 tracks.
So I'm not a big fan of long albums and mixtapes.
Why did they have to do 30? मुझे समझ नहीं.
I have no idea. I have no idea. It could have been tighter. See, I tell you, I really like that project. इसमें कुछ अच्छे गाने हैं.
Yeah.
But making it like I cannot listen to it like I listen to, let's say, Nayam, for example. और even अगर mixtapes की बात कर ले तो Flying Towards the City, I can just play. I don't remember, but it's not. It was definitely.
Yeah.
नहीं थे भी.
Lunch break में 30 थे. नायाब में कुछ 15-16 थे. Should I check?
This is check it.
But say what you were saying. I will search.
I'm just saying कि 30 गाने and that was a lot of experimentation, lot of hybrid songs. That's why it like a few songs I cannot listen to. But apart from that, I think कुछ गाने बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. Like I liked Madira, I liked Pickup, I liked Pancake. ऐसे बहुत सारे गाने अच्छे हैं.
But I can't just play it. there, you know, what I also noticed is there's a lot of emo tracks, a lot of trappish sort of zone has been gone into, a lot of even I would say jazzy, but I felt like a lot of songs were addressing relationships, which I found quite strange. There was many, I really like, okay, the things that stood out to me, I liked Ghatak. I loved Hurricane and his work. I feel like it was almost like a Hurricane project. I liked Calm
Oh, I
in
used to
most
call
of the
him
songs.
Ghatak, but it's okay.
Sorry, you call him?
I used to call him Ghatak, but I think it's Ghatak. Makes more sense.
Double A hai, Ghatak. And I liked songs like Dhoke, even video games, Pancake. I liked Madira. I liked Akela. I've picked them here. Pick Up, Bas Jhoot, Rahat. I liked Markat, MP3, Capital Rap. The start was strong, but it induced fatigue as you went through it.
Yeah.
You know?
I'll tell you another problem. It also had like a few of the songs, especially songs featuring Ab Satra. I found it to be hybrid songs that I've mentioned. कि भाई उस गाने में ना दो अलग type की feel है. And I personally, when I'm feeling one certain way, I like to listen to specific kind of tracks. I will listen to new school, lightly off scale, thoda sa frivolous track when I'm feeling that way. I will listen to a meaningful track or a powerful, power-packed underground rap track in some other time. If a track has both, then either I would have to, like for example, Karta Kya Hai, I love that track. But I listen to it when I feel कि मेरे को workout करना है, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, पहले वाला part थोड़ा forward कर लेता हूँ, because again for me that is a hybrid track.
Yeah.
So I feel एक track में अगर एक feel capture हो, that makes me easier to decide if I want, when do I want to play this track, and then I play that track. If there are two kinds of feel in one track, then I do not like it that much.
So by hybrid you mean एक genre sound space से दूसरे में, because beat switch तो काफी tracks में होता है, लेकिन
beat switch की बात नहीं कर रहा. हाँ, for example अपना तहलका है, अपना किसका J-Trix का तहलका, it has a beat switch, it has a big, but you know that it's a rap track, you know it's a powerful track, you know when you want to listen to that track, both the beat switch के बाद. But अगर वो तहलका के बीच में फिर वो अगर mumble rap करने लग जाता है J-Trix, then it would be confusing for me कि अब मैं तहलका starting के part के लिए सुनूं या बाद के part के लिए सुनूं.
Right. The vibe changes.
That was my only issue. Yeah. So I'll tell you, Seedhe Maut has the standard they have set with projects is very high.
Yeah.
And honestly, objectively talking, this is a very good project. But because it's Seedhe Maut, we have to see the missing tile syndrome. Like we see the missing tile syndrome कि जो नहीं है हम उसी के बारे में बात करेंगे, because Seedhe Maut तो कर ही देता है हर बार.
Yeah.
Like there are few artists जिनके बारे में आप like अच्छा बोलते बोलते थक गए हो, so जैसे आपको बुरा मिलता है, you first notice that because you're not used to seeing it. Again, missing tile syndrome. So I feel that is happening because I like the project for most of the part. But I really liked, I have to point out, because no one's really talking about this guy, OG Lucifer.
He was really good. I was going to mention him, yeah.
So he seamlessly collaborates with Seedhe Maut according to me. He's a good new school artist, and then he also is very seamlessly rapping and merging with Seedhe Maut in there. So I really liked his part that a lot of people don't. And yeah, as you mentioned, Calm.
Calm is on a different zone right now. So one thing I also noticed in a lot of the songs in this was there were too many artists on one song. ऐसे 4-5 तो कम से कम थे, but the length of it is so long और सब अपना verse लेके आ रहे हैं और फिर वो बहुत draggy हो जाता है by the time it ends, because I'm like काम भी आ गया, encore भी आ गया, अब लिल भावी भी आ गया, अब सत्रा भी आ गया, उसके ऊपर OG Lucifer भी आ गया या घातक भी आ गया, जो भी है. There were some songs like that which then again induced fatigue as a listener. The project itself induced fatigue. I just checked, नायाब में 16 गाने थे. That is good enough as a project. In this, intent was probably to launch the label and to launch the entire roster that they've signed on and to show different sides of everyone. So अब सबको एक style का गाना करना होगा और उनके ready होंगे, तो maybe that was the reason for packing so many.
Nah. I would
I don't
see
know,
as
but
a call, I would be like less is more.
Yes, that's the call they should have taken.
Less would have been more.
Yeah.
कि मैंने for example लिल भावी को 2-4 गाने सुना, मतलब भाई सारे गाने इसके पसंद आ रहे, let me check out कि अगला क्या करता है, let me be ready for that.
Okay.
So I didn't feel that happened.
That's what I feel like they should have taken a more of a creative decision to.
But how do you? But again, so this I'll tell you my mixed feelings about this mixtape. So and this project. So this project has few songs जो मेरी playlist में बना लेंगे, which is like the सबसे बड़ा medal जो मैं दे सकता हूँ for a project कि अच्छा playlist में आ गया ना, फिर तो अच्छा ही होगा इसमें. But there are a lot of tracks that I would not revisit. So I'm not able to decide if it's a good project, bad project, or.
Which is why I'm saying it's a disservice to the intent of launching your roster and launching your label. If you had just handpicked the strongest songs of each artist and released a 15 to 16 track project, it would have impacted the impression that the label and the roster made on the audience a lot better, you know.
Possibly.
So thoda sa wo ho gaya zyada extra. That said, it is not a bad project at all. There are some skips depending on your mood and vibe, and the, you know, your preference. But I just feel like मुझे घातक या अब 17 या ओजी लूसीफर थोड़ा और स्ट्रांगली मुझे याद रहते अगर उनके 2 या मैक्स 3 बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रैक्स आप सुनाते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट में, फिर मुझे वो ही याद रहते. अब वो इतने सारे सॉन्ग्स के बीच में उनका आर्टिस्ट्री इज अ लिटिल लॉस्ट ऑन मी एज अ लिसनर. मुझे याद
नहीं. Ab Satra has, so he is getting a lot of hate, and which I understand, like, but he has that potential of making good songs as well. एक उसकी एक project है called Mr. Babe, where he's released some good songs, where songs have gone like past the kind of numbers that you wouldn't expect an Ab Satra to pass. So he has that potential, लेकिन वो इस project में I don't think उतनी उभर के आई है.
Possible.
So anyone exploring Ab Satra, this project will be like, nahin,
disappointed.
I don't think he's my type of artist. But anyone who goes and listens to Ab Satra, you know that he has a very different kind of feel in a track. He's very raw. The way he talks is very different. So he can add that flavor that was missing in this project.
Okay. I think my favorite takeaway from this project is how many emo-ish tracks that they all had, because looking at all of them standing in that poster, you will not think that ye boys is in zones pe bhi itna likh sakte hain. But you know, tracks like Bas Jhoot, Rahat, Akela, I really liked, and I was like, wow, everyone's talking about, you know, non-flexy real life things that they all go through, which is very relatable to the audience and the age group they cater to. So wo acha tha takeaway. Of course there are lots of things, but I think 30 songs overall is a lot. I think, and from the management point of view, they should revisit those decisions.
I'll tell you lunch break में कैसे justify हो जाता है. पहली बात तो lunch break में I feel personally, I've heard this album quite a few times, so it's not coming out of recency कि अरे मैंने अभी जैसे सुना. lunch break बहुत time से सुन रहा हूँ. Lunch break में the songs were good. क्या बोलते हैं, features featuring artists were very exciting. मेरे को याद है उन्होंने जब अनाउंस किया था, they were टक 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 करके एक वीडियो निकाली थी जिसमें उसको भी ले लिया, उसको भी ले लिया, they were name dropping and people were like fuck, सीधे मौत के साथ ये लोग हैं. So that built the curiosity कि अच्छा सुनते हैं कि हाँ आप क्या करेंगे, अगला कौन आएगा. So that was missing here.
Yeah, this again, like I'm saying, it was a way to launch their label and their roster, and in that the strongest songs would have served better. You know, then बाद में आप singles release करो individual artists के या उनके EPs release करो, then people will look forward to it.
Right.
But ठीक है.
Like I will look forward to OG Lucifer. That is for sure.
Him and Ghatak for me personally.
Yeah.
Okay, topic number 5. Char Diwari Farebi. What a video.
That artist is very good.
He's mad.
No, the artist is really good. I've made a reel on him, I've made a full-length video on him, and I've covered him in the monthly end. So there's nothing left for me to say that I've not already spoken about the track for AB. But that is like one of the better tracks in this year, and we have almost reached the midway, halfway point. So for me, that Arpit Bala's Kya Tu Theek Hai. Have you discussed Arpit Bala's Kya Tu Theek Hai?
We have not. We must. It's one of the best tracks I've heard in recent times.
Yeah. So for me, so my video one of the ideas that I have is क्योंकि मैं अभी monthly cover कर रहा हूँ, right? So I'll have an idea कि top 10 singles कौन से रहे throughout the year. So I want to make a top 10 singles countdown towards the end. So for me, Kya Tu Theek Hai, Farebi have already made its way onto that. Like Kya Tu Theek Hai, Farebi, both of them very different.
Dharna also for me. Interesting. So I feel I've just done my reaction to him. So I was saying about Farebi, I've just done my reaction video, and I love the whole concept of referring back to your old videos and keeping the sort of story going, and incorporating Raftaar in this very seamless way into the story and the song. That's not the kind of feature that you get to see every day. It's a very away from the standard features format and collab format. So very well done. Sonically.
Yeah, but what was your interpretation of the music video? Do you have any theories on what that is? Because I'm very interested.
So what I deciphered during my reaction is that he is, he's been thinking that he's living, wait, I can't remember now. So yeah, he feels like he's living this life, but when he appears in public or puts on this, what is his real name?
Oh.
Char Diwari's real name.
Shit, I forgot.
Let's call him
knew
Vivek.
Char Diwari is real name.
Sorry.
Why would we randomly call him Vivek?
Because
No,
I want to.
I will Google.
Okay, Google it. Tell me his name.
Vivek, randomly.
Just because I want. I don't want to
Garv
lose the thought.
Taneja, Garv Taneja.
Garv,
Yeah,
okay.
Garv Taneja.
So now Garv believes that he
हाँ
is.
तो विवेक के बारे में बताइए आप.
Okay, Garv believes that he is this artist and he's living this life, but he is, it almost borders on schizo-ish kind of behavior, but he is a very introverted, shy guy, and to be the rapper persona, the rapper in the public, he dons a mask and, comes out in this other avatar of himself, where Garv is not actually aware that, ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And in this video, he kind of starts seeing clues of this happening, and then he realizes something. Anyway, I don't remember exactly, it was a while ago, but my interpretation was this, that there is he's
Nice.
basically saying ki when I need to go out into the world, I have to put on this other persona which is not me, because whatever reasons you have, maybe you're an introvert, maybe you're shy, maybe you don't have the confidence, maybe whatever,
Nice.
and you've built this entire world of yours from out of that one personality. Sometimes you're not
Nice.
aware of it. When you become aware of it, it suddenly shocks you, like, oh shit, I've turned into a person I'm not, or I've been acting like a person I'm not. So that, I don't know if I'm anywhere close to what you interpreted,
That
but
we'll never know.
he's not ever going to let us know.
Yeah.
I just like that his artistic vision is so layered, and that he does things in a way that others have not done in the scene before, because a lot of
Yeah.
things have already been done in the scene. So to think so out of the box and to still keep surprising people is a beautiful thing to see in an artist,
Yeah. And very palatable music.
Yeah.
So what I do is कभी अच्छा कुछ गाना मिलता है तो I जो भी मेरे अराउंड लोग हैं and different age group, I have my niece who's 8-year-old who doesn't understand Hindi that well. तो वो एक है, and then my friend Shayan who's not a lot into DHH and other friends, I make them listen to these tracks, and actually Farebi is the only track that has worked with everyone, every age group, irrespective of gender, irrespective of whether or not they understand Hindi or not.
Yeah.
So
Not
that,
surprised.
For that, for me, is a big marker of where Char Diwari is heading.
Yeah. I agree completely. The minute Shruti and we reacted to that together, the video I reacted to alone, but we finished and we were like, oh my God, this is my song of the year. Like, I love it. It's going to go on loop right away. And it's the song I'm going to listen to every morning, for example. Yeah, very easily palatable. I also wanted to ask you, because how do you speak such good Hindi, considering you're from Coorg?
Army Public School.
Acha. Okay. Nice. I have a lot of friends from the South who also speak really good Hindi, but either Delhi upbringing or army school.
Yeah, Delhi upbringing.
Oh.
Army Public School, Delhi upbringing. Yeah,
Oh,
Army
you
Public
were-
School, Delhi Cant.
Really? I
Yeah.
lived in Delhi Cant with my uncle's place when I first moved to Delhi.
Where in Delhi Cant? You remember?
So the Delhi Army Hospital, the base hospital.
हाँ.
My
Yeah.
uncle was the second in charge. So उनका घर opposite था उसी hospital के campus में.
Nice.
So I stayed there for a while. Loved it.
Nice.
Beautiful
yeah,
life.
yeah.
But I went to the Air Force school in Bhuj when I was growing up, before I moved to Oman.
Delhi ka Air Force School is very bad. It
Oh,
is,
really?
I think, the worst school. Yeah, it's a place called Palam. It's very bad school. घटिया school है वो.
I haven't-
So if you tell anyone कि मैं
Say
Air Force
like
school से
this.
वहाँ से,
Full
तो
respect.
फिर आप सोचेंगे कि ये अनपढ़ लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं. So but when I come here and then I see Air Force school here, then I'm like, oh बढ़िया school है यार ये. दिल्ली का बहुत खराब. Palam.
Acha, okay. Mine was lovely. I loved it. Okay, moving on. Now we know how you speak such good Hindi, because I used to keep wondering
Yeah.
this. Okay, Raval's album, number 6.
शेर दिल.
Long
यार
time.
बहुत सारी एल्बम आ गए यार.
I
actually.
know.
बहुत सारी एल्बम आ गई है. बहुत अच्छी एल्बम आ गई है.
Mera, like, are you feeling like thoda senses overload?
Overwhelmed.
Yes,
Oh, yeah, overwhelmed.
overwhelmed.
Yeah. And I feel guilty as well कि मैंने अभी तक रावल की EP और रावल की एल्बम और पैंथर की EP अभी तक कवर नहीं करी है. So I have to make videos on that.
Raval's, I've
Reels.
covered first two songs. The rest of the thing I still have to record. But I
It's
heard
actually
it.
very good. I liked it. Again, Raval's album will take you on a journey. So it is that kind of an album.
I heard it before our recording. I have to say that Raval is known for his for being very genre agnostic as a person. Like even the
Yeah,
little I know
yeah.
him, he listens to everything, and he enjoys personally all sounds just beyond rap and this thing. But he, like we saw in Sab Chahiye, that side of him has come out even on this album, and he has the track list he has maintained very well. यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ. There's
हाँ,
hardly
so I
back to
तो
back.
मेरे को सो हाँ, बट उससे क्या मेरे हिसाब से दैट्स नॉट हाउ आई वुड हैव लाइक्ड
Okay, for you that was a disturbance.
वेरी हाँ कि अब ये एकदम से डाउन. सो आई फील थोड़ा सा अगर वो साइनसोइडल कर्व हो अगर टेम्पो और एनर्जी का, देन इट्स गुड कि अच्छा लो एनर्जी देन स्लाइटली एंड देन इट्स अ पीक एंड देन
हाँ, so
आर्मी
I
पब्लिक स्कूल ना, वो एयरफोर्स स्कूल को नहीं पता होगा.
सब पता है. I just liked 10 points I'm giving you. Be happy. but
हाँ ठीक है.
but no, the thing is, it then would have gone into a side A side B format, which I would not have enjoyed.
No, not that way. Not that way. I'm talking about, let's suppose, one low energy, then slightly high energy, then slightly high energy. And then if you want to go back to low, there has to be a bridge that is again.
Okay, you're saying like a
इस album में क्या
connect.
हुआ? It's, हाँ. Again, it's a smoother curve is what either it has to have a story or it has to be a smoother curve in sequencing is what I
Okay.
believe in.
Okay. But you know, more often than not, we're not going to listen to the whole thing in one go. We'll cherry pick our
That's
favorites
true.
and add them
That's
to our
true.
playlist.
That's true. But that's
But
what
yeah.
separates album from mixtape, right?
That's
That
true.
sequencing में कुछ तो है कि
Yeah.
कि album को एक साथ सुन रहा हूं तो कुछ feel आ रही है अलग.
Yeah.
चाहे वो skits के through हो, चाहे वो story के through हो. For example, Dino के में I couldn't even concentrate on mood of the track or tempo of the track because it was the sonics were the thread that was tying the whole project.
Yeah.
Like if you randomly listen to a track from Priceless, you know कि ये Priceless से है.
That's true. Sonic connections were there.
हाँ.
I would say that I really liked his sort of storytelling tracks. His last track just felt like he's saying sorry to his ex. But it was very real. Every storytelling track or every sort of emo track that he was on, he would add a little bit of Ravalism in the middle here and there, but
Yeah.
more often than not, it was emo and it was real.
Yeah.
And I really liked that. So
I really liked his writing actually
Yeah.
throughout the project. His writing was, I think, the standout part. Also, a
Yeah.
few of his melodies जो उसने खुद pull off की, I was shocked actually. कुछ एक दो गानों में
Yes.
जहाँ where he has sung also. So that was very good.
and he's produced
Shocking.
most of the tracks, which is another feather in his cap.
Yeah, that's good.
You know, very few artists who are now self-sufficient in that regard. Raval is now one of them. I mentioned this in my recent video. Panther is now one of them. Raval, काम तो है ही, और
Yeah.
बेला है, और एक और था,
Yeah.
पांच
Stan,
थे.
MC Stan.
Stan.
47, MC Stan.
Stan 40, yeah.
47 too.
Few artists who are good at this. Raval's
Actually,
really-
Raftar also produces. Raftar can also
But not
produce,
all
he
the
doesn't do
time.
it as often.
As
He
often.
doesn't do it as often.
Yeah. But like Krishna says, sometimes it's difficult to produce for yourself. I remember him saying this in the past. So if you can do it, then I feel like your brain is operating in very, you know, in
Yeah.
silos, which is difficult to do. But anyway, good. So now moving on. Raval, but his
But
album was-
overall शेर दिल कैसे लगा?
overall, I felt like it was Sab Chahiye Part 2,
Really? अच्छा.
which
I
is not a
didn't
bad
get that
thing.
feel. I didn't get that feel. So Sherdil was, I feel Sherdil is a very personal project, whereas Sab Chahiye, I didn't see it as a personal
Sonically, I'm
project.
saying.
Sonically, okay, yeah. I was talking thematically.
No, sonically. Thematically, very personal project. Completely agree with you. Very personal, very Raval. So Raval, the man beyond the rapper and the artist, has come out beautifully
Yeah.
in Sher Dil. That is a win. You know, because
Yeah,
at the end of the
for
day,
sure.
you want to know the artist more if you're going to give them so much
True.
of your attention and time and investment, emotional investment into their project. आप क्या अपने बारे में नया हमें दिखा रहे हैं is what's gonna stay with me. So
True.
Sher Dil in that aspect worked.
Sherdil was good.
You know, great, good feather in his cap. Andar Ka Bacha still kind of remains my favorite, but I really like that I'm Sorry. I liked his song with Kaab.
So the
Trauma
names are very like conversation. So I suddenly was like, why are you transitioning into Hindi? मेरा अंदर का बच्चा खुश हो गया शेर. For a while I actually thought you're saying कि मेरे अंदर का बच्चा खुश हो गया है ये प्रोजेक्ट सुन के, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब oh, it's a very deep appreciation to project. But then I realized you are naming a track.
what
Then
mood
it's
you're
like-
in today, but fine. So yeah. be happy. Okay,
Okay.
moving on. Bella deleting his best songs.
वो मेरा अंदर का बच्चा दुखी हो गया पूरी ये बात सुन के। Yeah.
Okay.
So that is actually, I'll tell you, that's a sad move.
It's not a
I
sad
mean,
move, it's a necessity.
I'll tell you,
Otherwise, he'll
it is
get
a
stuck
necessity,
down.
but it is sad. It's not a move. Okay, let me rephrase it. But it's sad what's happening, because although he will reproduce and get those songs back, 99% chances are कि लोग बोलेंगे नहीं भाई इसमें फील नहीं आ रही, भाई वो पुराना वाला वर्जन ही दे दो हमें प्लीज.
I disagree. I have full faith in
Why?
Bella. I think he will make them even
Are
better.
you're not understanding now. Those songs are not just songs; they are connected to people's life. Like Humble Poet को लोग emotionally पसंद करते, Deja Vu को लोग emotionally पसंद करते.
I also like.
Now even if you get the best producer in the world, you cannot delete that song from the memory. And memory से ऊपर कुछ नहीं होती चीज.
But you can recreate
Memory
it with
जो है,
different instruments, different bass lines. You can do a lot.
I'll tell you, वो
Taylor
थोड़ा-
Swift did it with her
I'll-
album.
Yeah, but टेलर स्विफ्ट का तो अलग है, वो तो उसने तो सेम सॉन्ग रीवॉइस किए हैं, प्रोडक्शन इज द सेम.
She has recreated it so she could own her masters.
या सो शी इज जस्ट रीवॉइस्ड इट. उसने उनको मास्टर देके अपना रीवॉइस किया है. एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर प्रोडक्शन सेम है दोनों गानों की, बस इसमें दोनों गाने सेम है,
There are
इसकी
variations.
वॉइस में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट, बहुत स्लाइट वेरिएशन है.
Publishing masters own करने के लिए you have to add variations so that it's a whole
आई
other.
डोंट नो इफ प्रोडक्शन में वेरिएशन है नहीं है.
अब
क्योंकि
इतना
अगर
भी मुझे,
production में
I'm not a Swiftie, so I don't know. But the
Okay.
fact of it was she wanted to own her own master, so she
I know that,
did
हाँ.
fresh recordings. Now, fresh recording पे
Yeah.
आपका ही ownership होगा. If Bella does something like that and it is as close to the original as he can make it, but maybe sonically he improves something on it, then maybe people will actually vibe to them
Okay.
equally.
We'll see.
Let's-
For me,
Let's hope.
For me, जो मैं from where I'm seeing it, it's very difficult because for me as well, Humble Poet has been a very important song when it comes to my image of Bella. कि भाई मैं बेला को क्यों पसंद करने लगा? Humble Poet is a very big reason. And
big song.
it's obviously अगर उस टाइम originally उसने अपनी beat पे निकाला होता, I would have liked that version. But now that YouTube beat वाला version is now emotionally attached to my memory.
Yeah, that's true. But why can't he buy the YouTube beats from those guys? He can buy them.
Must be expensive is what I'm actually. That's a good point though.
If he buys the beat, then those songs can stay as they are.
I think there are, so my guess is there are a lot of such songs. तो लेकिन मैं Humble Poet को खरीद सकता था, Humble Poet और Deja Vu को खरीद सकता था, I think, because वो तो है यार.
He can pick and choose which ones he can buy, and the rest he can recreate as he sees fit. But I'm just saying, like the main songs, like you're saying, though, जो इतने important हैं audiences के लिए, वो तो
But we'll see how audience receives it. This is just my guess.
देखते हैं.
If they receive it better, then if they call it an upgrade, then it's even better. But I don't know how that'll happen. If that happens, good.
End of the day, it's a great case study for future artists. And sadly for Bella, like I'm repeating myself, Bella did so much great work, and he was just like bursting with creativity and the ideas and the thoughts and wanted to just keep releasing. Had he planned and done things correctly in a thing like Panther is doing, ये दिन देखने को नहीं मिलता.
But Panther का अभी का mindset और बेला का उस टाइम का mindset में बहुत difference है. Like I've seen Bella's few, seen his podcast, and he was not in a very great condition in his life back then. So music was sort of saving him कि भाई मेरे को बस music डालना है ताकि मैं I can just stay above the surface. So he was just putting out music, and that helped him. अब बेला उस situation में है जहाँ पे वो plan कर सकता है and बढ़िया यहाँ से आगे ले जा सकता है because he has those opportunities, he has a good fan base and stuff. But
I remember in real
back
talk.
then he like 2020 वगैरह में तो he was not in a good position. Like I used to remember हर गाने की release के बाद he used to come live and be like, and then live में कोई बंदा बोल देता क्या बेला भाई आपके तो views ही नहीं आ रहे, तेरे को क्या पड़ी है मेरे views नहीं आ रहे तो
I know he was
तू
very
देखना तू देख तू देखना है तो देख नहीं देखना मत देख. And it used to be almost every other live because I've been following him from a very long time.
Lives used to be a thing during
yeah,
lockdown those couple of years, and then इस live में क्या होगा? People used to wait for the controversy moment. Because I feel like rappers, especially in their younger years, very temperamental humans, right? Anything can make them fly off the handle. और वो live में फिर आप control भी नहीं कर सकते. We've seen enough and more of those.
True.
But even in 2022 and when I recorded Real Talk with Bella, even then, although he was a lot better and I felt like there was still a lot of angst in him. ठीक है, it is what it is. Let's hope he recreates them. better.
Hmm.
I think your voice is gone. Oh no. One sec. थोड़ा crack हो रहा है.
हाँ,
So we'll go to the next topic.
for sure. Next, what is the next topic?
Artists to watch out for in the upcoming couple of months.
ओह, जब मैंने सेलेक्ट किया टॉपिक, मेरे दिमाग में एक आर्टिस्ट था. अब मैं वो Sumayoki was yeah, Sumayoki is the artist to watch out for.
Why? Why? You just selected this
उसकी
list.
कुछ या हाँ, सो व्हेन आई वाज सेलेक्टिंग कि मेरे दिमाग में था कि अच्छा इस क्वेश्चन का तो मैं इस आर्टिस्ट का नाम बोल सकता हूँ, एंड देन सडनली व्हेन यू आस्क्ड दैट क्वेश्चन आई कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक आउट कि कौन से आर्टिस्ट के बारे में सोचा, बट नाउ आई रिमेंबर इट वाज सुमायोकी बिकॉज उसके 2-4 स्निपेट्स मैं सुने हैं जो उसने रिलीज किए, एंड दोस आर लाइक वेरी गुड सॉन्ग्स.
So he's dropping singles that are
I think so,
that
yeah.
you're excited about.
पता
Okay.
नहीं, हाँ, and then there was also The Boys Part 2 or something that was dropping, I guess, but I don't know what happened to that project.
Actually, somebody did a song with one of the boys on his Kid Manch. Yeah.
Kid Mange.
Yeah. Somebody collabed with him and sent me their song, and I haven't heard it yet. You reminded me.
Gravity.
Oh shit.
Gravity और Kid Mange का ट्रैक.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Sorry.
कोई है यार वो एक कह रहा है कुछ जलालुद्दीन बना, बहुत पुराना ओजी रैपर है, बोलता है अपने आप को, उसने मेरे को भेजा है.
I'm deleting
पता नहीं,
this part.
टाइम नहीं है देखने का यार,
not.
बाद में देखूंगा. Hey, you have to put this part. I'm telling you.
No.
Hey, yeah, and it was a genuine mistake. You please put this. You cannot edit things stuff like that. Please. You cannot
You
edit stuff.
purposely want me to get galis after every of our episodes.
It is not galis at all. It is a fun. Like obviously you might forget कि किसने भेजा है, तो मैंने अब याद दिला दिया. It's fun. Please do not delete anything fun out of this. This is actually a fun part. हाँ, so
No.
वो छोटे आर्टिस्ट ने आपको क्या बोला DM करके?
Just be quiet. There's too much
छोटे
going on in my
underrated-
life. Okay, in my defense.
हाँ.
So Gravity sent me his song with Kid Manch.
अच्छा,
And I
when
have
did you
yet,
remember?
yet to listen to it because he told me
Guys,
that
if something is deleted, she has deleted very important section. If she is deleted, I'll comment कि क्या delete हुआ है. हाँ, okay, don't delete, okay? Now come
I
back.
will. Anyway, so Grav sent me his song, and he's also dropping a mixtape with his people, and that's something to look out for as well.
Hey, Gravity का वो song you have to react to. Gravity and Kid Mange.
Yeah, I
You
will.
have to. It's a very good song.
You've heard
At
it.
least ने DM किया and you forgot his name, so for
Was
that
it-
at least you can react.
He dropped it before the war situation started, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
Just before.
Yeah.
So वो हफ्ता तो I had switched off from everything.
Correct.
तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा मेरे को memory, but I will. It's on my list. I will get to it. So that's so Sumayoki, you're saying is to watch out for. We are now entering the second half of the year. Well, almost. I feel Karma for me. At the start of the year, I had
Oh.
taken 3 names. One was Krishna, Karma, and one.
No, for the next 2 months, not for the whole rest of the year. Because next time जब हम मिलेंगे हमारे पास कुछ होना चाहिए कि अच्छा who did you?
Okay, so I honestly haven't thought of anyone, but let me see. Who has announced something right now? There is Seedhe Moth, who said they're working on their album and they'll resurface once that's done. So I think that'll come end of the year. Yeah, I feel like Karma's going to come back. He must have recovered by now from his fracture and injury. So we might get to see something from him in the next 2 months, which I'm excited about because my pick of the year was also there. Is there anyone else? Raftar's album might, but not so soon. You know?
नहीं.
He said no, something on his story today only. I saw on the news कि the
What did he
storms
say?
are coming. The storms are coming. अब सीधे album पे मिलेंगे.
वो तो 1-1.5 साल पहले भी बोल सकते हैं. उनका कोई कहना मतलब कुछ नहीं कह सकते.
Okay, then I will
बड़े
say
आर्टिस्ट का तो कुछ नहीं कह सकते यार. वो MC स्टैंड महफिल कब से बोल रहा है. आ रही है, काम तो कर रहे हैं रात को बैठ के, बट इट्स स्टिल नॉट हियर. तो
that's true.
बड़े आर्टिस्ट का तो यू कांट टेल बिकॉज उनके कमिटमेंट्स होते हैं वगैरह वगैरह. सो
What do you know about Badshah's last track dropping? He had 5 tracks on Fitur. I'm guessing the last one is the title. It's not yet released. Was it paused because of the war?
Yeah, a couple of more tracks releasing.
Couple of I thought 5.
हाँ, no, 6. अरे बादशाह का one track with these meme pages is dropping.
How amazing. So good. You were instrumental in
Yeah.
getting this to happen?
Yeah.
Well
yeah,
done.
yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Gorgeous.
And it's a good track.
It's a banger, you
You've heard
said
it?
in your story, I think.
हाँ.
I've not heard it. How will I hear it? I'm not in the inner circle like you.
Come on, you are in
You
every
to
meme
go
page's
for
inner
dosa
circle.
and coffee at night.
No, your meme page is inner circle.
They asked me, should we send it to you? I said, नहीं, हम react करेंगे, तो no point listening to it.
So you are in the inner circle only, right? So you had an
I'm
opportunity, you just
talking
did not want
Badshah's
to.
inner circle. Just be quiet.
Okay.
So anyway, so that is something I am looking out for. Badshah is sort of closer to his project,
Yeah.
Fitur, and but I must say to you that Velvet Flow, I really enjoyed it. And I did make one point about, this song would have
Flex.
been nicer. No. This
With
song
less
would
brands.
no. Brands though I have an ongoing thing with, but this would have been nicer if the video had been a little less polished, इतना polished और high production value का video अगर होता है तो वो उसकी rawness से take away कर देता है,
एक
which
सेकंड,
then
वेलवेट फ्लो का
कौन सा था, the one before the last one?
गलियों के गाली we are talking about.
No, गलियों के गाले was the last one. उससे पहले
Blessed.
वाला Velvet, नहीं Velvet.
वेलवेट में क्या था उसमें? वो तो इट्स जस्ट अ कंपाइलेशन ऑफ हिम गोइंग हियर
वो
शोज.
बहुत पॉलिश्ड फील था उस वीडियो का, तो मैंने बोल दिया, आई सेड दिस वाज जस्ट अ थॉट दैट आई हैड, एंड देन बादशाह मैसेज मी, व्हिच आई डोंट नो व्हाई, ही सेड आई लव्ड योर रिएक्शन, बट हम ट्राई कर रहे थे इसको लो बजट करना, लेकिन हम जितना लो कर सकते हैं उससे भी मैं हाई बजट ही लगता हूँ, एंड ही वाज लाफिंग.
एक्चुअली दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज शॉक्ड, यार ये कैसे.
तो ही सेड मैं ट्राई
How is
करके भी
that?
लो बजट नहीं लग पाता हूँ, लेकिन वो हमारा इंटेंट वही था. सो आई सेड या that is a problem many would like to have. So
Yeah.
but so that I'm looking forward to the end of his project. It's been a fun project so far, but second track is the only one I didn't
So
know.
his next track in the project is my favorite track in the project.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
I mean, it's okay. It is. Do not expect.
You
do
are
not
always
expect anything.
hyping. Yeah, but
No. I have not. This is like I have told this to him as well, that his next track, whenever he releases or announces the name, is my favorite track.
okay. ठीक है. So that and anyone else besides Yoki that you want to watch out for in the upcoming months?
For the next 2 months.
Ojla will drop something for sure. He's already
I don't know
announced.
if these Firozi guys will drop. फिरोजी गाइस अगर ड्रॉप करेंगे तो उनको भी बोलते थे, लेकिन उनका पता नहीं कि कब ड्रॉप करेंगे, उनका तो कोई स्केड्यूल ही नहीं है. बट फिरोजी,
actually that's an interesting topic that I wanted to cover, but maybe in the next one. I was basically talking about these collectives that have formed, right? Firozi and then DL91. पहले के जमाने में कलमकार हुआ करता था और आजादी रिकॉर्ड्स का गैंग हुआ करता था. ये जो collectives बन के आते हैं वो ओवर टाइम,
हाँ, किसी भी क्रिएटिव चीज का कलेक्टिव बन पाना, किसी भी क्रिएटिव काम में एक कलेक्टिव बन के उसको 10 साल तक कंटिन्यू कर पाना इज very tough.
Never gonna happen.
Because everything is subjective and everyone comes with that attitude कि भाई मैं तोप इंसान हूँ.
Yeah.
So to handle like
especially in this genre space. Yes.
हाँ, to handle 10 तोप इंसान, it's very difficult.
Yes.
मैं अभी पलाश सेन का भी पॉडकास्ट वगैरह देख रहा था, so his Euphoria also
disintegrated because of that.
Same reason. Yeah. कि एक को ज्यादा फुटेज मिल रही है, एक हम वो ओवर पावर करने को. Then I was watching Silk Route का पॉडकास्ट. हाँ, I was watching Silk Route का पॉडकास्ट. उनको भी सेम इश्यूज था.
You realize who Silk Route is now? Your माँ कसम breakdown is the first time I watched one of your videos, and उसमें आप मोहित चौहान को Rockstar album से you were.
I know about Silk Route. And didn't I mention Silk Route? Silk Route is like,
you said
is my one of.
Yeah, you said Silk Route, but you said Mohit Chauhan जो Rockstar से famous हुए हैं, and I was like,
that's so.
You were saying that for Gen Z.
Breakdown में I'll tell you. हाँ, so I have to explain कि क्या है.
Okay.
ये कौन बंदे हैं. So I have made a video on Silk Route just like yesterday. I recorded a reel talking about the story. So in that also I was contemplating क्या should I mention again that this is the same guy who's done Rockstar, but then I was like no, let it. ये story है थोड़ा लंबा हो गया, and it's about that music video of Duba Duba. So I let it be. So breakdown
classic video.
What I feel.
Beautiful band. Yeah. But yes, bands generally is the thing. Bands have broken up over time for this very reason, and that's why I have very I'm in very different this thing when it comes to these collectives, because I know egos
दुओं को भी ना मेंटेन कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल सीधे मौत इज सो गोइंग सो स्ट्रांग बिकॉज दोनों के जो स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं वो बहुत अलग है.
एंड दे नो दैट सोलो.
हाँ, अगर दोनों ही अमेजिंग राइटर्स होते तो फिर वो कंपटीशन बहुत हाई हो जाता. अब क्या है, Encore is taking that. If Encore is being a great writer, Encore has a very good strength where he brings in the production angle, the sonical angle to that duo, and over time it has made them a stronger duo मेरे हिसाब से.
Also, personal relationships matter and how you carry that above
वो
maybe
सब
the art. वो बहुत
मैं
कम होता
बताता हूँ,
है.
वो सब ना, वो पैसे आने के बाद वो चेंज होने के चांसेस ज्यादा रहते हैं. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे,
That's
डू
true.
यू, हाउ सिक्योर यू आर इन दैट डुओ इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. And for
Yeah.
that security to come in, you have to feel that you are an equal part of this duo, and that
Yeah.
comes when you are giving that duo equally. And I
Yeah.
feel that's why Encore and Calm, they're doing well, because they both believe that they're giving this duo equally.
Also, from whatever I've seen in their podcasts and other things, also they both are very clear कि हम जो कर रहे हैं और जो हम as सीधे मौत create कर रहे हैं इस universe में, वो individually शायद
हाँ
होगा नहीं. सीधे मौत as an entity and what they've got rallying behind them is very unique, cannot happen and must be continued. Plus their support system around them believes in that as well, as like for everyone
true,
from
very
their
good.
families and parents to their management and everything. The movement of Seedhe Maut is bigger than the individuals. So, and I think they know this very, very clearly. So they are an anomaly. They are not the rule. Collectives and bands and all of that, eventually they tend to disintegrate. I'm not trying to cast an evil eye on these
Yeah.
collectives, but I'm just saying, let's see how their journeys unfold. I just hope they all do good work and give us great music before maybe they part and do their own individual things. So theek hai, let's look out for, I'm going to look out for Karan Aujla in the next 2 months and Karma. Now we have our last two big topics. Okay, moving on. Second last topic, Krishna's album. Mixtape, sorry.
Mixtape. Yeah. ओ गुस्सा हो जाएंगे फिर, पुज्जी कर देंगे, पुज्जी.
What is that?
That is also, I don't know, that's how we in Kurgi, अगर बच्चों को बोलना होता है ना, पिट्टी पिटाई हो जाएगी, पिट्टी हो जाएगी, पिट्टी, that's how we say.
Very cool. What is it? Pojji.
पुज्जी, पुज्जी,
Pojji. Pojji. Like Pujji. Pojji.
POJJI.
Pojji. Okay. New word I learned. Very nice. Okay. So thoughts. Krishna,
Very good.
Mixtape.
Actually, it was worth the wait, and I think this is, I've announced it, this is the best Krishna project yet.
Really? More than Far From Over, Time Will Tell?
हाँ,
Still Here to
100%.
Okay.
100%.
Yeah.
For me, it is easily better than every project that Krishna has released.
Huh. Okay. Oh, sorry. What are your top 5 tracks?
Top 5 tracks. Okay, number 1 पे मेरे लिए Yours Truly था. Second पे Knock Knock था. Third पे है कहने की बात नहीं. Fourth पे which one? The Yashraj track. Oh, sorry. Fourth पे Sensitive था. Fifth पे Yashraj वाला feature था.
Oh, okay. So I didn't go by tracks. I went by features and by singles, solos. My favorite solo was KKBN.
Yeah.
And
definitely top 3.
And then I liked Yours Truly. And then I liked was it Knock Knock? Or was it the one after that? I can't remember now. So that, and then on the feature side,
never enough में वो बात करते हैं कैसे आपने मेरे को hate किया, what you got to the table, I bought the fucking table.
That's yeah, but I didn't enjoy that
is
so much
never
because I felt like that bar was great, but I didn't feel like he was saying anything that I haven't heard him say before. And that was my biggest grouse with this project. He's not said anything to me as a listener that I've not heard before. Yours Truly was stuff he said before in a new format. No. More vulnerable and emotional. But
I'll tell you. So, which track are you referring to when you?
I'm just opening the track list.
Yours truly उसने already बोला हुआ. Which track are you referring to?
In everything from a Summer Buzz to a Kahan Tak to a Still Here intro, if you combine all of them, I agree that he's not gone as deep into his mindset and thoughts. I agree. But in terms of the theme of it and specifically going into your journey, I'm not saying it's a bad song. Yours Truly is as deep as he has gone into thought space and emotional space of himself. But I feel like it is stuff that he's touched upon thematically in a slightly deeper way. So so what I'm saying is all these songs, whether it was, so I'm not looking at the features, Knock Knock, Nothing to Prove, these are the this thing. Uske baad, Never Enough. Yeah, so that's the one I liked KKBN the most for sure. Lambo Drive was amazing.
Yeah.
So for me, it would be KKBN, Yours Truly, and then Knock Knock.
Yeah.
Nothing to Prove and Never Enough.
In different orders.
Yeah. So again, Nothing to Prove and Never Enough. I felt like he's kind of saying the same things with using different bars and different beats. Knock Knock was a fun track which reminded me of a Lil Bunty had a baby with Prarthana. It kind of felt like that.
Yeah.
The two of them had
Yeah.
a baby. And then Yours Truly felt like a combination of Still Here intro, where he's talking about younger days, but he went more into the psyche and the thoughts of the person in that younger space.
Still Here, nahi, Dream mein I think he spoke about younger days.
Sorry, Dream.
So I'll tell you the
Some of us
difference. So
कहा था?
I'll tell you. So मैंने भी अपने review में ये बोला है. Dream में, if he was talking about what I have done, Yours Truly for me is what he was going through when he did this.
Yeah,
which
his
is a big
thought
difference in storytelling. Dream track I didn't like as that much. It was just a chronological.
I really liked.
Yeah, तो मेरे को पसंद नहीं था because it was a chronologically he told कि मैं ये किया, फिर मैंने ऐसा किया, फिर मैं ऐसे किया. But here, although we got to know कि क्या चल रहा था, we also got to know कि अच्छा जब वो चल रहा था तो what mind space was he in, which is I think the most important part of a story. So that's why I liked Yours Truly a lot, and
I really liked
it's a
it.
highlight track.
I feel like he has never ever gone into the personal sort of insecurities that he had at different ages in his life as much as he has in this track. It is his most vulnerable track to date, for sure, hands down. And I've heard everything from a Sellout to a Still Here to all the projects. So definitely bearing his emotional space open for the world to see, not easy to do. And done also very beautifully. Loved Bharg's, piano driven production on it, because I feel for a track like this, the piano lends itself beautifully, to creating that kind of mood and environment. So wo bahut hi acha tha. So full props to him for that. I'm just saying overall as a project and the features now, if you even look at Bust Down, if you look at, I won't go into my top ones were Yashraj. Hands down,
same.
Loved the beat, loved how they played off of each other, did the back and forth in the first half, and then did individual verses in the second, which kind of, I feel like, could have been shorter.
So I had the same views, and that's why I've ranked it low. मैंने भी अपने review आज जो release किया मैं उसमें बोला है, but the second part थोड़ा सा dragged लगा मुझे.
So
also
लंबा
लगा.
थोड़ा लंबा लगा. If their verses were kind of half, or even if they had just continued that back and forth situation in the second half, that would have been a lot more fun. And I've noticed that it kind of reminded me of his track with Rap Demon, because they also did a back and forth. And I feel like, because Krishna is a solo artist, he's not like a See Them All. So whenever he gets on a track with someone who can do the back and forth with him, I don't know why, but that person brings their A game, and then Krishna brings his A game, and then, so you're constantly seeing so much A game happening line after line after line. It's a treat. So I felt like, wo agar second half maybe hota, I would have not complained. But I loved the production, loved the overall vibe. The hooks were so good on Talk My Shit and Guarantee.
उसको क्या किसने हरिकेन ने प्रोड्यूस किया है?
Never Sober.
नहीं sorry never sober ने किया. हरिकेन ने कौन सा Sensitive प्रोड्यूस किया?
Sensitive, again one of the best beats on the project. So my favorite beats were KKB, this one, sorry. Never Sober,
all the three that you mentioned,
Sensitive, and Yours Truly. The sonicscapes are beautiful.
And Phenom ने कौन सा प्रोड्यूस किया है?
He did the first three tracks.
Knock Knock is Phenom.
Knock Knock is Phenom, and also Nothing to Prove. Sorry, Never Enough is him.
Actually, Karan Kanchan का जो था वो Avich वाला track, is it Hello वाला track? I think I like that as well. It has little Japanese elements in it because Avich is featuring.
That's what I felt. Karan Kanchan went into anime soundtrack mode, and that's the sonicscape that had. It really felt like किसी anime का title track, web series का वो चल रहा है. I liked it, but again, when it came to those two international features, I had a point I wanted to make, is that they felt forced to me. Very forced.
I've ranked them bottom. सबसे नीचे rank किया मैंने अपने.
For the sake of having interpreted. Oh, even mine.
H को for example, like H is a very good drill artist. Like UK Brighton, वो drill track is his. I didn't like him in this track.
It was there was nothing in his verse that I could say, oh, I took this away, or I remember this, damn, I'm coming back to this track. Now, I feel if you're collabing with an international artist, it's great because you need to have those kind of checkpoints in your catalog. Fine, if you're approaching it from that point of view, make it happen. But then make a track that then works for some audience. I feel Krishna could have gone English in this and flexed his English skills. Then who knows, that track might have blown up in the UK as well and the English audiences. True. And with Hanuman Kind going the way he's going, why can't we have another English? And it's not like we don't know Krishna cannot rap in English. He can out-rap anyone in English also. True. So if that had been a complete drill track with English only, who knows where it could have gone with a name like H on it.
True.
So I feel like वो थोड़ा forced हो गया और I like that he collabed with Avicii. एक तो इनके नाम इतने similar हैं, Avicii, H. But I feel
Even the song placements are very close to each other.
yeah, बादशाह बीच में. But I feel that Krishna with a solid female rapper is a thought I had while listening to Hello. Has not happened. He has done a track with Raja Kumari, but in that she wasn't. I didn't feel like she was rapping, and that track fell somewhere into the abyss, and nobody remembers it, even though one of Best Krishna's feature verses. So I would love to see Krishna with a very competent sort of female rapper like Rebel or someone in the scene, because the combination would be amazing. The back and forth, even if they can try that, would be insane. Why not? So I really feel like that's something I would look forward to from Krishna in the future. Just hearing him with Avicii on a track, because Asian State of Mind में बहुत सारे लोग थे, but both of them on a track where she is so good, she holds her own. Obviously, she is the artist she is. It sounded good, but the collab
it
itself
sounded
beyond the
okay.
hook,
ऐसा कुछ बहुत, I'll tell you, ऐसा कुछ बहुत crazy तो नहीं था.
नहीं, that's all. It was. They were my two least favorite tracks.
Yeah.
And they felt like for the sake of an international collab हमने डाल दिया है दो नाम, because अब हर एक बड़े A-list artist के उसमें अब वो sort of mandatory thing हो गया है checklist पे करना.
Which is not bad actually. International collab is good only, but I mean
execution.
Exactly. I've done it right. Yeah.
Comes down to the execution and then your target. If you have 11 songs, you can have 10 songs for your Indian audience and make that one so that maybe it blows up internationally. Anyway, I feel like that was not this thing. Trap Krishna turns out to be amazing. It should be a whole thing. Maybe you should do a trap EP. It was another thought I had. I really like that he gave flowers to the podcasters of your, I didn't even know such a podcast existed. So radio show, it sounded like to me, like Pirate
so
Radio.
they wanted to make something like that back in the day.
Yeah.
They wanted to make something like that because obviously radios weren't playing क्या बोलते हैं हिप हॉप ट्रैक्स. सो व्हाट दे थॉट, बिकॉज उस टाइम कॉपीराइट का उतना दिक्कत नहीं होता था जितना अभी प्रॉब्लम होती है. सो व्हाट दे वर डूइंग इज, क्योंकि उस टाइम कोई लेबल ले ही नहीं रहा था किसी आर्टिस्ट को. सो व्हाट दे डिड वाज दे वर लाइक विल मेक आवर ओन रेडियो शो टाइप ऑफ थिंग. द पैकेजिंग विल बी लाइक रेडियो शो बट विल रिलीज इट ऑन यूट्यूब.
तो यूट्यूब पे था ये पूरा पॉडकास्ट.
तो यूट्यूब पे था. हाँ,
वेरी नाइस.
बट इट साउंडेड वेरी लाइक इंटरनेशनल रेडियो शोज. हाँ, रेडियो
साउंडेड लाइक लिंक्स आर हैपनिंग एंड सॉन्ग्स आर गेटिंग इंसर्टेड
एंड देन दे वुड प्ले सॉन्ग्स बिटवीन देम. या,
फॉर्मेट वही था ना तब. देयर वाज नो ओनली टॉक.
उसके बाद आई थिंक इंडिया में एक दिल्ली में एक एफएम खुला था हिट 95 करके, जो हिप हॉप इंडी ट्रैक्स बजाता था. आई थिंक अब वो पता नहीं अब है या नहीं है. उसके बाद शुरू हुआ था.
कहाँ?
दिल्ली में हिट 95 शायद.
I think वो था because one of my breakfast jocks in Delhi, Sarthak, he used to be on it and it was only English talk and English music, I think. So I think you're right.
Not English, I think बाद में वो rap music में बजा रहे थे.
Then Raj would.
Indian rap.
Then Raj would. I'll ask him. But in Bombay, there was Go FM. Go FM used to have only English talk. And they used to have a lot of international songs. One of their jocks is a very well-known guy in the music circles here. He used to play only English music at night. Chris or something. I can't remember his name. But anyway, so it was very random, specialist shows here and there. But okay, I want to talk about the fact that this we were expecting an album and he dropped a mixtape. Do you have any thoughts on that? Or it doesn't matter actually?
How does it matter? So if it was an album, I would have rated it as an album. अब उसने mixtape डाली तो मैं कहूँ नहीं.
वो angle से नहीं. I'm talking in his artistic journey at this point.
That will be a thing that people will point out. So at the end of the day, Raftaar, Krishna, they would need a solid album in their bag very soon. Today if they ask me कि भाई आपका favorite artist कौन है, it becomes easier for me to say Seedhe Maut because of their singles and projects and how well they have done in their projects.
The catalog is so complete.
So in the longer run, Krishna would need that album in the bag.
Then one can also argue that maybe some artists don't have to follow that formula and they can still be. I mean, he already is. Let's be real. This thing, but
they don't. But for some, that parameter will remain. कि album कैसे करता है? क्योंकि वो artistic depth तो album provide करती है.
Yeah. So
that's why a few artists, like for example, artists like Yash Raj, they have not released an album yet, right? अभी तक यश राज की कोई album नहीं है ना?
Yeah, सिर्फ EPs हैं.
I remember
solid EPs हैं लेकिन.
हाँ, I remember जब उससे पूछा गया था तो उसने बोला था कि भाई album, like first album especially, is like a permanent thing that will be associated with your name, so I
Yeah.
have to be absolutely sure before dropping that.
Yeah.
So बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट उस हिसाब से भी तो एक हो जाता है ना कि यार अब
Overthink
एल्बम
करते
में
हैं उसको।
मीडियोकर कुछ चीज़, हाँ एल्बम में कुछ मीडियोकर नहीं डाल सकता, कुछ 100% जब पता रहेगा कि सॉलिड होने वाला तभी डालेंगे.
That's true. But that's one reason everyone expected the album from Krishna ना, क्योंकि इतना टाइम लेके आई है. अगर ऐसे ही ड्रॉप होता थी तो ठीक है. But it's fine. You do you.
I saw a theory which was interesting, which said कि शायद ये एल्बम हो सकती थी, but because he would have had to remove a lot of songs from the project, that's why it's not a mixtape. But that's just a theory that
I don't agree with that theory
in the
because the
comments.
content of the songs is there's the features and there's no continuing story even in the songs that
and also features के
same
थ्रू
old.
आप एल्बम नहीं बना सकते. फीचर्स तो आके खुद अपना ही कुछ करके चले जाते हैं.
वो ही मैं कह रही थी अपने रील में कि features on an album are like unimportant unless they fit into the story and they seamlessly help
Like
the
for
story
example,
flow.
I was listening to Junkie, that Frappe Ash's album front to back, and then उसमें वो कौन सा गाना है यार, वो जिसकी वजह से पूरा मतलब प्रॉब्लम हुई थी सीधे में.
हाँ, the
नफस ऊपर जाके नहीं, this that
रायता
फैला गया. हाँ, और उसमें काम आता है और फिर he flexes,
does his own thing.
हाँ. So I don't think proper album में features का उतनी
Thank
need
you.
है.
That is exactly what I was saying. That's why I thought मुझे लग रहा था
और
album डालना
अगर features आ रहे हैं then they should like mold themselves. So for example, Raftaar in Farebi has rapped because वो बोल रहा है कि लैला को लगता हूँ मैं फरेबी, तो रफ्तार is लैला, he's acting लैला and he's pointing out कि अच्छा ये फरेबी है.
Yes, he has
So यहाँ पे ऐसा तो
seamlessly
feature ला सको तो
entered the
हाँ.
story and exited also very smoothly to let the story continue.
Yeah.
वैसे अगर होता है तो features make sense on an album, but ये album थी ही नहीं, mixtape थी. I know Krishna categorically put a story saying don't get hung up around it's not an album, etc. But how can we not? This, I would really honestly expect, and that's why I said my grouse with this is he has given us very varied sonics. He's worked with different producers and given us different sounds. He has done what he does best and upped it a notch in terms of his flows and everything, all the technical things of it. Even his first video is a great fun video, which is, actually showing that man can now act also, unlike his ads. But I feel like he's not said anything new for me. It's the flexing. The only thing new is that now the brand's flex has moved to watches more than anything.
I am seeing that.
Watches are the thing this season.
पहले shoes हुआ करते थे DHH में.
अब सब watches
shoes के DHH में पैसा बहुत आ गया ना.
I agree. So now the flexing has reached the next level, which is watches, which is Ojla's doing, Badshah's doing, Raftaar is doing, Krishna's now doing. सब watches club में घुस गए हैं. Okay, and it's a cult.
Yeah.
So now we have to just prepare ourselves to hear about watches all the time.
मेरे को तो आज I was thinking about it. मुझे आज से 5-6 महीने पहले तो इन सब watches से AP
नाम भी नहीं पता थे.
नहीं पता थे मुझे. And now suddenly I realize कि अच्छा ये एक silent luxury करके एक डिपार्टमेंट होता है watches का जिसमें हमें पता नहीं है ना. And I've recently realized Rolex actually उतनी luxury है भी नहीं.
नहीं. Yes. So now
Rolex जिसको मैं बोल रहा था कि Rolex वो गंदी वॉचेस है इन लोगों के लिए.
Yeah. हाँ ठीक है, 1-2 Rolex ऐसे ले. So
ये लोग फास्ट ट्रैक है Rolex इन लोगों का यार. This is so disrespectful. I don't like it.
It is hilarious to me. It's this one like club उसमें घुस गए अब बाहर वालों को like हाँ तुम लोग Rolex पहन रहे हो. In the middle of one reaction, I was like reading lyrics and AP लिखा था and I said AP कौन है? AP Dillon, I asked, and then someone commented saying नहीं वो ये watch है, and I was like oh shit. Then AP आया कृष्णा के project में.
RM चाहिए, AP चाहिए. अरे यार कृष्णा I think is in love with AP Dillon. Okay. इसने एक बार है ना इसमें.
Had I not known.
ये चाहिए वो भी चाहिए, AP चाहिए.
Latino, it's a good bar.
थोड़ा सा लेट होना चाहिए था इस information के लिए. Then the reaction would have been good. I think he wants an AP Dillon feature in his track. That's interesting. Can we make this happen, chat? Let's tag AP Dillon in comments.
That Latino bar and the Bailando bar are his two best Spanish bars. I just said that in my reaction. But now look at Bust Down. Bust Down, my reaction ke time I was Googling and checking. There I realized that Bust Down Rollies are the in-your-face extravagant watches.
No, Bust Down Rollies are, I think, वो watches होती है आप normal खरीदते हो and then modify करा के उसमें हीरे जड़वाते हो.
so it's the most flashy Rolexes compared to the classy
okay.
ones. So it's classy versus bust down, and these guys are saying that I want bust down. उसमें Genius पे translation meaning में लिखा था किसी ने कि where he's talking about Dom Perignon and some other alcohol. He's saying I am taking this because I am understated, luxury, classy. I said, but he's not. Everywhere else, he's saying I'm the loud, flashy one. So there's a bit of contradiction also in the flexing and the bars.
No, I don't think it's flashy versus classy. I
That's
think you
what
take the
Google said.
same Rolex. That's so my understanding of bust down was कि आप Rolex से अगर आपने watch करी, you get it modified by adding like these
to make it more flashy.
expensive.
So the
But the
Google
class
threads,
remains, but it just becomes more expensive and valuable is what I felt.
it becomes more flashy. Literally Google पे लिखा था classy Rolexes versus flashy Rolexes. Rollies. ये सब हमारे लिए दुनिया बहुत नई है. आधे से ज्यादा नाम तो मुझे पता ही नहीं थे. बादशाह के गाने में इतने मैंने ब्रांड नेम सुने. हम ये क्या है? But again, my whole thing against this kind of in your face flashing is, everyone knows I talk about it ad nauseum in my videos. But ठीक है, moving on. So this is a final thing with Krishna's project mixtape, that I personally would have loved to hear him talk about newer things than flashing about how he
like
created
what?
the
Like
scene.
what? क्या नया thing? For example, give me an example कि क्या नया बात कर सकता हूँ.
So I love that they touched upon the controversy in Sensitive. That was a new thing for me on a track. Now look at anything in look at Maina, Seethe Maud song. It's a new topic. I want to hear Krishna explore those sides of him. Yeah, that's exactly what I said in my reel. New sonics, new themes, non-featured, and ek do aur other. Most of my guesses were wrong.
That's a very, very good point. I like that point.
Krishna has the skill set, and I was talking about this with a viewer of mine as well.
And why do you feel he has that skill set?
Krishna is one of the best writers in the country. I don't think his pen game.
But his writing has always been around him. Why?
That's
what makes
I'm
you
saying.
feel? Apart from leave the 2010 वो वाला छोड़ दो, and then व्यंजन वगैरह छोड़ दो. But mainly his writing has been around him in the recent past, right?
Yeah.
So what gives you that data कि वो बाकी themes भी explore कर सकते हैं?
There's no data on it. It's just me saying this man has the skill set that comes around once in a lifetime. And if using his skill set and his tools, he does not try to create art stepping out of his self and looking at other topics. Like Maina is not a personal track, but it is such a personal track that it hits you. So that
I'll tell you.
approach.
I'll tell you. So the kind of skill Krishna has, he's definitely very skillful, and I understand. But that skill versus a Maina, that is a storytelling skill, are two very Venn diagram में बहुत छोटा match होता है इसका. That basically means Krishna might be able to pull it off really well, those kinds of track, or might not be able to pull it off. So जो उसकी skill है, that is around me, bar writing and sometimes going vulnerable. So जो storytelling skill है, जो imagery की skill है, that उसका हमारे पास रफ्तार से data है कि भाई मैं लिख सकता हूँ ऐसी चीजें.
So
Krishna
again,
would have to first.
Yeah. So had I not heard this mixtape, I would have said maybe he can't do it. But after hearing this mixtape and the vocal variations he's given us, even his comfort in different sonic spaces that he's shown us, I'm even more strongly believing that he can go there. And this is what happens. This is at some point an artist will reach a place where your one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional things you have done enough of. Now, if you still insist on remaining in these zones, you are not pushing yourself. You are not pushing. You're not going out of your comfort zone where you're just saying, I'm going to be this 2D or 3D artist. I'm not going to be 4, 5, 6, 7D in my career, which I don't think he'll do. I feel like he'll go there. I'm just saying I would have hoped he would have gone there by now. But I hope he goes there in the future because he is in India one of the best writers in the country. He's worked so bloody hard over the decades to sharpen his skill set. Now your tools are all super sharp.
I'll tell you इतना साल की जो मेहनत है, where he sharpened that his skills in. So his skills are to go complex, to go technical, but still make that song palatable for a regular listener जिसका rap से कोई लेना देना नहीं है.
Yeah.
That is the skill that Krishna has worked on. Yeah. That is the skill that Krishna has been working on, and that is the skill that gives him the numbers, gives him the recognition amongst the regular audience.
Yeah.
So
he's played his cards right there because numbers भी आते हैं.
But Maina वाला जो skill, Maina is one example. Maina वाला जो but Maina या storytelling वाला जो skill है, for example, Dino James वाला भी skill है. That is not just writing. That is also imagination, right? लाइक जस्ट बिकॉज मैं लेटर राइटिंग बहुत अच्छी करता हूँ, दैट डजंट मीन कि मैं कुछ फिक्शनल बहुत अच्छा लिख दूंगा, बिकॉज उसमें कुछ अलग स्किल सेट की जरूरत होती है. So that's what I'm saying. He might or might not be able to write it. I just don't have enough data about it.
We don't have answers for this.
We
I'm
don't
just
have.
saying the way he did the spoken word and yours truly also, if he just tries that kind of thing about something else, because he's
Yeah.
shown us he can do it. What he does it about, I feel like, there's endless possibilities. So
True.
I really liked how he changed his voice in so many songs in this one. Like I
That's
love
actually true. कहने की बात नहीं, कहने की बात नहीं. Hello में जो for example drill किया है, he has used a slightly higher pitch.
that. I didn't like.
Lil Bundy is actually I liked it. That gives
bit
it
I
more
didn't
energy,
like.
right?
I
Why
liked
not?
the way he was with Yash Raj, the way he changed his voice. I liked how he was in KKBN in the hook, especially. There are so many. Now I don't remember after, but these are two that I remember, and so many
मेरे
other
को तो
places. where he's changed.
drill में because it was slightly higher pitch, I like the energy in that.
I feel
actually.
like that
That's
bit
okay.
I didn't like because I felt there was a strain in his vocals there. So for me as a listener, mera thoda, it wasn't as pleasant for me. But ठीक है, I'm just saying he's done a lot of voices on this mixtape, and so using now these different voices that he can do, endless possibilities are there for the man in the future. But as a overall drop, it's a solid DHH project from just a solely hip hop.
For you, is it his best project or not?
There are, for
If
me
not, then which one
personally,
is?
there are a few skips in it. But sonically, he has progressed from the previous projects for sure. So as a sonic listening experience, yes, it's his best. I personally really like Still Here, the album, because I feel individually all those tracks are fun to listen to.
Oh, you like Still
even
Here more than
even What's My Name?
Yours
No,
Truly?
no, I like Still Here and I like Yours Truly. I don't think I like one more than the other. I feel in Yours Truly, the sonics have definitely improved a lot. His voice has improved a lot. I think it's overall growth as an artist. Yours Truly stands on top.
Okay.
I actually really enjoy Time Will Tell. So I'm a slightly partial to that, but because it's a short EP, I won't count it here. But yeah, from all factors considered, this is his strongest project in terms of his artistic growth. You know? What are your thoughts? You think so?
Yeah,
also?
for me by a mile actually. Like there is no comparison in my mind. Still Here और इसमें कोई खास comparison नहीं, because this is an upgrade in almost everything in terms of flows, execution, sonics, his themes that he has discovered, his writing, even his storytelling. The only thing good in Still Here was the intro track which was Still Here. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इस गाने का इस प्रोजेक्ट का आउट्रो बेहतर है, इस प्रोजेक्ट की बीट्स प्रोडक्शन बेहतर है, इस प्रोजेक्ट की राइटिंग भी बेहतर है.
एंड इस प्रोजेक्ट में लाइक देयर आर रूमर्स थोड़े ट्रैक्स ड्रॉप हुए होंगे फॉर श्योर. Like I think that's 100% confirmed notion and news, because world events. Which brings me very
Talking about
seamlessly to the last topic of the day.
This is such a radio thing to do. We knew कि ये last topic है, but you had to add that last line ताकि हम talking about बोल के वो last पे आ सके. Very nice.
Don't give away the secrets, Rohan. Let them. Okay, so speaking of songs that were dropped because of world events,
what are we going to talk about now?
We are going to talk about this very big elephant in the room, or let's say BrahMos missile in the room. Is the India versus Pak situation, and how that affects not just the industry but also our lives as content creators, and this whole landscape generally speaking. So what are your thoughts? Tell me from the start what kind of you felt and thought when the event started transpiring. I'll tell you mine.
No, it was, see, first when Pahalgam happened, it was upsetting. It was like it was obviously a very sad event, the way it was conducted and stuff like that. And first thing was ki, oh shit, now it will polarize us Indians even more because of the way it was conducted. Luckily, and I think I've heard a lot of like ministers and like foreign news media also talk about it, that nothing really substantial happened despite of such a ruthless attack on the majority community. It was good. And then when sort of the attack, when the retaliation happened, the kind of response that we were getting from the artist from Pakistan was a little strange. On one side, it's pretty clear where a very big, I don't know if I have to say T से जो word होता है, because that will demonetize your video, but let's not call them, but we'll call them T. ठीक है?
Yeah.
उन्होंने बोला है कि भाई मेरी फैमिली के 8 मेंबर्स मारेगा, विच इज अ प्रीटी क्लियर इंडिकेशन एज टू हु वी हैव हिट. इट इज अ वर्डिक्ट फ्रॉम हिम कि
उनका अपना स्टेटमेंट आया. उनका अपना,
हमारे फैमिली के 8 मेंबर्स मारे गए हैं. नाउ वी विल नॉट शो
10.
मर्सी द नेक्स्ट डे, व्हाटएवर द नंबर्स, दैट्स इट.
Yeah.
एंड देन वी सी मांग होती है कि आप इस आर्टिस्ट को बैन कर दो, इस आर्टिस्ट को बैन कर दो, इस आर्टिस्ट को बैन कर दो. एंड देन वी सी व्हाट अंजुम डज. ही फर्स्ट बैन्स हिज ओन चैनल टू इंडिया, and then he goes on tweeting stuff. Then Hassan Reems hops onto this bandwagon, and then which was actually shocking because
Or also,
he
I didn't.
yeah, or blew up
because of
Indian reaction channel, because of a fake specifically. Okay,
Yeah.
they made good music. Let me not rip them off, but a lot of people make good music. But at the end
Yeah.
of the day, it was a fake who
help them
whose
blow up.
clips really got
Yeah.
them the audience there. And then that
पर
audience
उन्होंने
के वजह
डाला
से-
क्या? I didn't know they put a story.
यार मेरे को याद नहीं है, and I want to erase that.
Yeah,
thing of
that
my
whole
memory, so I
thing.
don't revisit. But they had put stuff,
Okay.
supporting stuff. So yeah, that was disappointing.
Yeah. A whole lot of it was disappointing. And for me, when Pelgam happened, I was in shock like all of us. And I was genuinely just angry by what had happened. And because I am constantly in touch with artists across the border. And
Yeah, I know that.
and I had a podcast also planned with one of them in the coming week. But I'll just,
Okay.
so I had my podcast planned. Now, my whole thing was, one, I was emotionally distraught by what had happened. It's very disturbing. It kind of brought the 2611 memories back. And then I was like, shit, I have a very strong community here of people who connect on music. I've always been very unbiased and, like no prejudices, no this thing. I cover all music, and I feel like it is the one thing that connects all of us as humans. 2 दिन बाद, 3 दिन बाद, I was waiting to see the reaction of the artists from across the border. Some of them had posted about, our heart goes out to the innocent lives of this attack and da. Great, okay, humanitarian thing. Then this whole thing started happening about where is the proof? Where is the proof? Because then 2 हफ्ते निकल गए और हमारी गवर्नमेंट बोल रही है उनको कि आपके यहाँ से लोग आए
I
थे.
read a few of them talking about कि कैसे इलेक्शन के लिए किया गया है, whereas
Yeah.
there is no central election
What?
coming in the next 2 years.
So I was like, what do you mean? Where's the proof? My friend and I, we were discussing. My friend is very not this current government. So he started laughing. He's like, why are Pakistanis asking where's the proof? He's like, they literally confessed to the crime an hour after it was committed.
Yeah.
He says the biggest joke. Why are you asking for proof?
No, what do you mean? TRF ना?
Yes, they already said.
I'm sorry, मैं
responsibility.
एक सेकंड, मेरे को एक हल्का सा डाउट है, and this is coming out of less knowledge. TRF, although it is obviously trained by ISI as
No.
we
It
see,
is a front
but
for
who
the
are-
LET. It's a front for the LET.
It's
They've kind of rebranded.
It is
their
an LET
organization.
offshoot.
It is an
Ah,
LET
yeah.
offshoot, and for months
But
India
aren't
has
they
trying to.
aren't
Indian
they claiming
diplomats
that
have
we are locals?
No, for months India has been at the UN trying to get them listed as a LET affiliate organizations. That stuff is
Okay.
still pending in the UN. So it's not a unique thing. We have known about TRF being
Okay.
an offshoot of the LET, and they took responsibility immediately, very proudly. चौड़ में आके अब उन्होंने दूसरी बार भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले ली. 2 बार तो आप हैक नहीं होगे भाई साहब. और
Yeah.
ये हैक वाली स्टोरी nobody is buying it. So
Yeah, it's like that girl, एक लड़का ऐसे मैसेज करता है, and then लड़की अगर उसको स्टोरी पे डाल दे, सॉरी मैडम मैं हैक हो गया था मेरा फोन. It's like that.
And I saw Arpit Bala also had a really funny, someone sent me a clip of him on his live stream
What-
also. He's like,
what is it?
मैं 16 साल की बच्ची हूँ, मेरा फोन हैक हो
अच्छा,
गया.
अच्छा,
He's like,
अच्छा,
what is
अच्छा.
this? क्या बकवास हो रहा है यहाँ पे, So anyway, the whole where's the proof situation was really annoying me. This is before May 6th even happened. I was being very vocal about artists not speaking up from the other side of the border. So I was getting a lot of hate in that first week for that post. They were like, oh, they don't owe it to you. You listen to them because their music is good. You don't do any ehsan to them. Ye wo. I said, ehsan ki baat hi nahi hai. It's a symbiotic relationship. You make good music, we consume it. Because we consume it, you have a great life also. Like let's let's not say
and
you're
we
making us
do-
money or we are making you money.
Haan.
We are not earning any money
The
because of you.
ecosystem.
It's an ecosystem. Everybody has to.
And
just
actually, more often
play a
than
role.
not, you are not, like when you're reacting, you're not making money of that video, because mostly copyright claim हो जाता है उस पे.
Exactly. Somebody's like, oh, why don't you return the money you have made from Pakistani reactions?
So if that is an argument, how do they account of the fact कि अच्छा हमारी वजह से उनको कितने listeners मिले हैं that have turned themselves into their fans and who've been listening to them? How will
Where
we
is the
account
accounting for that? Yeah. All that happened. 7th ko I was very disappointed. honestly. I was just like, जो लोग जो believe करना चाहते हैं वो ही करेंगे. They don't want to look at the actual story of what's going on. So over the course of those 4 days, the amount of hate that I have got is amazing. But I was like, it's okay, it's all good.
Unfazed, yeah.
Unfazed because I don't care. I honestly don't care. I have always consistently tried to be as, appreciative of your art and connect on human grounds as I could possibly be. But it's always nation first. This is a new age. Literally within this month, halat badal gaye, jazbaat badal gaye, sab badal gaya. And it is disappointing. To me, I feel very disappointed on many levels. It's not like I have taken it in this fuck that and no, it also saddens me. It also makes me upset. But this is the
Why?
reality.
What makes you upset? What makes you upset?
That I genuinely had good bonds and friendships with people on the other side, and I genuinely had admiration for them also as artists and art. And I don't discount that they are good people. I don't disregard that at all. But what you believe to be the truth is very sad, because that really clouds your judgment as to what's actually going on. The very sane ones actually, who are still polite and who still like say, oh, we still love your videos, please don't make them private. I got a lot of those messages also. And I said this to someone. I said, I'm not commenting anymore on this. One comment I have sent to someone who very sweetly asked me, like, just to know what to expect. And I said, look, times of peace are very different from times of war and times of conflict. And while I've always been unbiased and, no prejudices while covering and appreciating art, I feel like there has to be, like, national solidarity comes above anything else. Our government has taken a very strong stand, and I will stand by it. And that's it. There's not much to be said. Maybe in times of peace in the future, we'll be able to have a cultural dialogue again. That's where I stand on this whole thing. I think you also. Same, na? How do you feel though about this whole thing? Like, are you sad that you can't cover their music anymore?
Matlab, I'll tell you, I am sad because this space was the only space where there were chances कि हम cordially रह सकें. But the artists from the other side have not made it possible.
I actually wonder what some of the friendships are like now between the rappers after this.
Actually, yeah.
I'm very curious because अब ये जो कृष्णा का project हमने discuss किया इससे पहले, अब क्या है उनकी friendship? अभी तो लंदन में इतने sweetly मिल रहे थे, photos ले रहे थे. So what are those friendships?
I think पता नहीं अब यार. Actually, to be honest, it's very difficult because time really heals a lot of things and then changes all of those things. But near future में तो I don't see any collab happening.
I know a lot of artists have dropped collabs. There was another artist I won't name who said कि my collab was going to come on that artist's upcoming album. अब वो भी drop हो जाएगा.
Tell me with वो delete कर देना video से. Tell me now.
And he was very disappointed. He's like, finally. So I said, it is what it is. It is what it is. No, so I want to know what you have to say to the DHH audience members, because I see a lot of these Reddit threads around this topic. About them saying कि art and artist separate करो because you had that.
Correct है, सही बात है. So I'll tell you, वो बात सही है. But so I get quoted on that a lot, okay? And जो context में मैंने बोला था, that never gets quoted. And I understand because at the end of the day वो hashtag ही रहता है कि artist नहीं यार. वो context में मैंने क्या बोला था कि दोनों beef कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, आपको एक पसंद है, वो छोड़ दो उस पसंद को. आप ये देखो कि दोनों गाने कितने बढ़िया निकाल रहे हैं.
Okay.
अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि अगर एक आर्टिस्ट हैरेसमेंट केस में है तो आप उसको वो चीज ना देखो. मेरे को ना ये पता है आए दिन
I'm glad I'm asking you this. Yeah, you need to make this very clear what context you said it in.
And I actually मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले वो यूज करने छोड़ दी because I realized कि लोगों को ना वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं समझ आ रहा है, बस हैशटैग समझ आ रहा है कि हमें आर्टिस्ट देखना ही नहीं, आर्ट देखना है. वो मैंने बीफ्स के अराउंड बोली थी. जब लोग क्या करते थे कि मेरा फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट है, अब मैं इसकी आर्ट नहीं देखूंगा, मेरे लिए यही बेस्ट है. That is the context in which artist नहीं art was created, and now it is just gone. And border art में कोई boundaries नहीं होती. That is again a very true concept. The only thing is for anyone, as APJ Abdul Kalam also stated in one of his speeches, that country comes even before your religion does. Country because it pays, it does a lot for you.
It's given you a sense of identity.
It gives you identity. तो चलो छोड़ो, if you don't want, a lot of people are like मेरे को identity नहीं चाहिए. It actually gives you resources. आप जो
Yeah.
पढ़ाई कर रहे हो या आपको जो सुविधा मिल रही है रोड की, हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की, which people do not realize कि इंडिया में कितनी बेहतर है. When you go to US you realize कि अच्छा आपको छोटा सा टेस्ट करवाने कंसल्टेशन के लिए 4-5 महीने वेट करने पड़ते हैं. Like Zepto, like छोटी मोटी
लंदन में मैं रह के आई हूँ. You can't even get a doctor's
हाँ.
appointment if you're dying. They'll give it to you 2 weeks
Yeah.
later. If you're still
Yeah, so
alive, you go to the doctor.
हम इसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे.
People
कुछ
don't
friends जो आए थे,
understand.
वो कहते हैं unless you're unconscious, they don't consider it an emergency. अगर आप respond कर पा रहे हो, वो emergency नहीं है उनके लिए.
Exactly.
So, coming back to the point, the nation gives you a lot of things.
Yeah.
So when then it becomes a little more important. And now in this situation, country has taken a stand.
Yeah.
And all we have to do is just say कि okay. Now country, for example, government अगर कुछ करती है internally and we do not agree with it, then we have a chance to voice it out कि नहीं मेरे को ये पसंद नहीं आया, and that is democracy. But as a country जब आप एक decision लेते हो
Yeah.
outside world में, it's like a family dynamic, right? कि हम आपस में
Same.
मेरे को
Yeah.
पसंद नहीं आए.
For the
हाँ, पसंद
outsiders,
नहीं
we are
आया,
united. Inside, we can
हाँ.
fight as much as we want.
Yeah, that is the only opinion I have when
Okay.
it comes to this. Yes, I agree with everything, but this is not a usual condition. This is
Not.
extraordinary condition that that we couldn't have imagined.
Yeah.
2-3 साल पहले कि इतना
Yeah.
खराब भी हो सकता है.
Yeah. But ठीक है. Our lives have changed now as content creators, and it is what it is. Hopefully, peace will prevail and things will be more brotherly and
Yeah.
harmonious in the future. One can only hope for that day to arrive sooner than
Let's hope.
later.
Yeah.
But till then, Jai Hind, and that's it. Thank you, Rohan.
Thank you. It was nice seeing you after a long time. Bye.
This was the longest
I
podcast
don't
I've ever
know
done.
how do you do this naturally ऐसे करके? I don't
It's
understand
just
that.
I look at the wall
Okay.
and I see your face. Anyway,
Yeah.
so-
Is this longer than our year
annual wrap up. It might just be. I don't know. I will edit it
hours,
and
25
yeah.
minutes.
But ठीक है, in times of war, we must soldier on. Okay, so
Chalo.
chalo, on that note, I will see you maybe in a
Sure.
month, maybe 2 months. Let's see
2 months.
2 months now. ठीक है,
Yeah.
2 months it
We're
is.
doing do one.
We're doing
एक
by
बार ना.
yeah.
हाँ.
But then we were doing even months. Now this is an
Now
odd
we'll
month.
do, how does it?
Because the end of the year is an even month. We have to even this. Okay, anyway, we'll figure this out
We'll
offline.
see. हाँ ठीक है.
Chalo,
चलो.
take care. Jai
Okay,
Hind.
bye.
Live long and prosper.
Bye.